Let's check out the Soyes XS16 mini smartphone. So I have the 2 GB version over here, and this is basically what the box of it looks like. So inside the box we get the phone itself in nice packaging, and when we basically open this, we also get a Type-C charger cable, as you can see. Then also we get a screen protector included for free. Again, a manual as well, so you can see what you can do basically with it. Also this SIM ejector pin. Okay, so and this is what the smartphone itself looks like. Okay, on the front, as you can see, it's actually very small. On the back we can have another protector. The design on this phone is actually really nice. So I have the black version over here, and this black version, however, attracts a lot of fingerprints and dust. So maybe other versions will look cleaner basically. And on this side over here we actually have a slot for the SIM card and also a memory card. So we can use this tool basically to open it up. However, okay, so as you see, you can actually insert a SIM card. 2 SIM cards you can insert here basically, or 1 SIM card and 1 memory card, so the choice really is yours. And on the bottom we also have Type-C charger hole here as well, which is kind of cool. And on this side we have the volume buttons. Also, by the way, it actually comes with a free case as well inside. So let's turn it on. By the way, here is a normal size 6.5-inch smartphone, so it's absolutely crazy how tiny this thing is. So cute actually. And also, for example, if we compare to like a very small Nokia dumb phone, then this phone is actually even smaller than the cheap Nokia dumb phone. So you can see actually much smaller. For example, if you actually compare to ultra smartwatch, you can see maybe the size is like less than 2 times basically. In the thickness like this, as you can see, it's pretty much the same as one of these ultra smartwatches. Absolutely crazy. By the way, I will actually leave in the description and comments the exact listing basically on AliExpress where I actually purchased this from. So when you actually purchase this, you actually need to be very careful, because there are other small phones like this, but this actually is the best, as this actually has got very good battery life, and also the cameras on this also is actually very good. Also on this we actually get 4G network as well. So again, follow basically the links that I will leave. You again need to actually be very careful when you purchase these, otherwise you can actually purchase something that looks like this but doesn't perform anything like this basically. So we can also pretty much use cameras on this phone as well. So it actually has 5-megapixel camera on the back, and you can take photos easily with this camera. So it works actually pretty decent for it. So, and also we can actually record videos on this camera as well. And overall the quality actually for such a cheap phone is actually really decent. So can't really complain actually about the video quality on it, especially knowing the price of it. And also on this phone we have a selfie camera as well, so also that is actually perfectly usable. So we can essentially also open WhatsApp on this phone and make a video call, and this works, everything okay. Also we can even play games on it basically, and also we have Play Store, so we can navigate on it as well. Let's open Maps. Okay, so and basically the maps work okay. So, and also it has GPS. So when we swipe down, as you can see, it looks like pretty much any standard Android phone. Also we have hotspot as well here, and again this runs on 4G, so it's actually pretty good. Okay, also again we can actually browse internet on this phone as well. So for example, we can actually go on YouTube and watch some videos as well. Also Play Store works obviously as well, so we can go and download more apps over here, so whatever you really want. Okay, and this is basically what the settings look like. We can see your battery, and yeah, basically it's a normal Android. So this runs Android 10, I think. So it says Android 10 over here. Also in the listing it says it has got 2000 mAh battery, but when I checked with this third-party software, which can detect the battery capacity, it says 1900 still. That's actually pretty good. And also I did a quick battery test on this phone. So I played 1 hour of YouTube video over 4G with normal brightness, something like this, and it consumed like 19% in that 1 hour. So again, the battery life on this phone is actually kind of decent as well. The charging time, however, is kind of slow on this phone. So to fully charge it from almost 0 to 100, it takes almost 3 hours. So maybe like 2.5 hours and maybe a bit more. So definitely the charge time is actually kind of slow on it, but still okay. Also, I kind of regret getting this black version because it attracts actually a lot of fingerprints, so it always looks like kind of dirty. I wish I maybe had gotten this like bluer version, or maybe like this purple one. This black one, yeah, it's hard to keep it basically clean, so it attracts all fingerprints basically, and it shows them very well. The case actually is really good on this phone, so it's actually cool that it actually comes with a case. So, and actually it feels like better with the case in hand, so it definitely feels like very comfortable when you hold in hands with the case. So the case is actually really good. So basic case, but yeah, it's actually kind of cool that they included. And overall I actually really like this phone. So the size is actually incredibly nice. So yeah, you see it's like pretty much on the normal smartphone it can go like this. So absolutely crazy size. Yeah, absolutely nice. So again, the overall performance, again, when you basically like scroll, also is fairly decent for such a cheap phone actually. So no complaints there. And for basic tasks such as camera or calls or something like calculator, also it's actually pretty decent. So can't really complain. So again, I will actually leave a link where I actually purchased mine from, and this is basically a legit seller on this phone. So again, you need to be actually very careful when you purchase these phones, because there are many phones that look like this, that are maybe even try to imitate this phone. So you need to be very careful when you purchase and get it from a genuine seller basically. So I will actually leave a link. As you can see, the price also is really nice on this phone. Anyway, good luck guys.